In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this site can't be reached on Google Chrome. I'm going to explain a few fixes. One of these should work for you, so watch until the end. So the first thing you can do is go to your Start menu and then go to Settings. And once you're in Settings, you can go to Network and Internet and then click Advanced Network Settings. From here, you can go to your Wi-Fi and click on this downwards arrow and then go to More Adapter Options and click Edit. This will open this Wi-Fi properties window, and you can go ahead and scroll down and uncheck IP6. Most commonly, it's a DNS server issue, so you can uncheck IP6 and it will use the IP4 IP address. So just uncheck this and click OK. And then you can go ahead and try out your website and see if that has fixed it. If it hasn't and you're still getting this error, you can try the next step, which is just to make sure once you are connected to your Wi-Fi, obvious, and make sure you're not connected to any VPN or proxy. So if you go to search and type in proxy, you'll be able to access proxy settings, and just make sure that you're not using any proxy here. Then you can go ahead and click on your Wi-Fi settings. If you right click on them and go to Network and Internet Settings, you can then go back to Advanced Network Settings and then click Network Reset and completely reset the network settings, and this will just uninstall and reinstall your network adapters. That's pretty much all you can do on your end. Obviously make sure the website is online, and you can do this through any website. Is this website down? That's how you can fix it. Let me know which one helped in the comments below.